What's up, everybody? I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and today I got this guy,
Kaden Johnson from Growing Up Garage.
That's right, and today we're gonna have some fun. Well, you guys know that we both just got RZRs and we love taking them out to the desert and having fun. Now, the biggest problem that we have is I wanna be able to talk to this guy to make sure that he's following me, that make sure that he's okay. There's so many instances that I would love to talk to him, and it's very difficult to do that, wouldn't you say? Yes, so that's one thing that we don't like. I will tell you that even when Austin and Kaden and I went out to the desert, or I'm even out with the family, I would love to be able to talk to the kids as well. So I really want a radio, but I'm no expert on radio. So today, where are we gonna go?
ORW, so then they can install our new radios, so then we can talk to each other.
That's right. So let's head over to ORW. Let's check out what they have to offer for the RZR and get educated today on race radios. Let's go. Well, we're here at ORW. Let's go inside and see all the good stuff. All right, I brought my full-time videographer here. We got Kaden.
What's up, Mr. Kaden?
Hello.
So
How you doing,
I know we're late. It's all his fault.
Hey, it's not my fault. Your fault.
Always blame it on your kids, right? That's the benefit of having kids.
You
blame
drive.
it on. I drive.
He drives too slow, tell him.
Oh, maybe.
Oh, but he's hauling a trailer and, I don't know, 2 RZRs and a quad.
Oh, man.
So, all right, well, I'm super excited because now, after we're done, I'm going to be able to yell at you while I'm driving. No?
Yeah, and he'll hear you.
Yeah, and, you know, so let's go check out some radios, yeah? What do you got?
A lot of cool stuff, huh? So these are complete kits from PCI. Actual single individual radios. We have motorcycle complete comm kits, and these are all for car, truck, SUV, side-by-side, and race applications. They do several different styles. There's the track system, which is a true dual stereo setup, you know, left, right ear, puts you in the moment as far as music goes. Their other stuff is more of the recommended, like, we're gonna get you there and not fail. The new stuff isn't gonna fail, but it's more of like a luxury, if you will.
And so what's great about this is, so if I decide that I want to be able to add to it, I could just get the radio by itself, put the radio in the van.
Yep.
That way I'm able to still talk to him and do that,
Yep.
which is awesome. Now it looks like not only do you have this, but it looks like you have a ton of other accessories that are going to just go with all of
Correct.
the
So
radios.
all the side-by-side applications, we've got all your stuff here for all your mounting. There's the different ones for K&M, for Polaris, Yamaha, all the different mounts. Headset kits, unfortunately, not very useful out here in California as far as UTVs go. However, race trucks, pre-runners, sand rails can all
this
still
is actually
use them.
what I need. So once we have a radio in your car, I'm able to talk to you when you're going to race this RZR 170. What do you think?
Yeah.
That would work out pretty good. Now, only if you could hear me, because I know sometimes he complains that he still can't hear me.
Because it's so loud.
It is. So we're going to have to maybe put the earbud ones in your ear
There you
so
go.
that it's not just wired in your helmet.
We
But-
got those right here.
So there you go. See, if we put maybe the earbuds in, then you would actually be able to hear me because it would be right in your ear like headphones.
Yeah, like
you listen when you listen to
I
music.
can put my helmet on and then I can hear it.
Yeah, so very cool. So now, I guess we have a couple choices then. So it's a matter of whether you want the stereo or just the regular one. And what are we looking at price difference between something like that? So if you're in the market for this, you kind of know the difference between these two.
You're going to vary between all the kits from 2-seat to 4-seat, tracks to elite. Kits are going to vary anywhere from $900 to $1,600. The big portion of that is going to be once you go into 4-seat, you're doubling everything. So you're adding 2 more cables in the back, then you're going to have to get more headsets or more helmet kits. So that's the major cost increase. As far as the tracks to the elite, I think it's about a $150 difference.
Okay, so
Not
then
major.
from this is this set up for a 2-seat car then? and then you're going to add for a 4-seat car?
Correct. We also do have them already laid out for 4 seats.
Okay.
But again, they just include the extra cables necessary.
Okay. So that's really important, because if you have a 2-seat car or 4-seat car, you're going to want to make sure that you get the right kit. And I know that that's a big thing for us, is when these guys are riding in the back of the car, I want to be able to check in with them and be like,
Right.
hey, are you guys still awake? Are you okay? Are you comfortable?
Yeah, like the last time I was driving my racer and my neck was just horrible.
Yeah, so then at
Yeah.
least you could be like, hey, I need to stop and take a break, versus, you just keep on going. So I think was the kind of the thing that really made us go, okay, we
Especially
need to
now
do
with
that.
my arm.
Well, that's an anti-driving device.
Yeah.
You're not allowed to drive anything right now. So until we get
But I
that
can
cast
still
off.
drive in.
Right.
Yep.
Well, I'm super excited. I think let's go take all this stuff out of the box, get it laid out, and start putting it in a car, right?
So,
All right. This is another really cool thing that I definitely look forward to putting in our RZR, and this is going to pump fresh air into your helmet, which is, obviously when you're driving down dusty roads forever, it's definitely going to be nice. And it's also going to help from your helmet from fogging up. So a couple different ones here that you can do, which are really cool. You can see another product made by PCI, and let me just tell you, this isn't a commercial for PCI. They just make really nice stuff that we like to use. So they've been doing it forever. So a lot of really cool products you can see here. I think I could just walk through here and be like, I want this and that, and because then I come behind me, I'll take a jack. I mean, what's here that you wouldn't want? There's a helmet. What else do you want, Kaden?
there's a lot of stuff.
I know, right? I think we could go broke in here. All right, let's get away from this stuff before we just start grabbing pieces and parts.
Another box,
Another box.
and then a plastic
So that's
bag.
going to be the intercom system. So that's what I'm going to be able to talk to you on when you're sitting in the back seat, or maybe even if you're driving shotgun with me, maybe, then you can do that. Well, even that was a lot more work than I anticipated, and that's why we left it up to the experts here at Off-Road Warehouse to install this whole radio and intercom system. I'm definitely looking forward to using it. I think that it's going to make life a lot easier out in the desert, not only communicating with all the people in the car, but also talking to Kaden, as he loves driving his RZR 170 also. But in order to really finish this off, I think I'm gonna have to get one more thing, and we're gonna have to head back into the showroom and pick that out, because I think we're gonna need to get Rachel a new helmet. That way she is able to really enjoy all that we've done to the car today. So let's go check out some helmets, and otherwise, I'm excited. I can't wait to go use this thing. All right, so we are back over here at this just candy wall of goodies. And I talked about I really need to get Rachel a new helmet. I think what's great about here at Off-Road Warehouse is you can see just how many different helmets they have, and these are all gonna be in different sizes, so no matter what size her melon is, they got a helmet that's gonna fit. I went and checked her helmet. She's an extra large. She's got a giant head like me. But anyways, hopefully she'll be just as excited as I am. That's it for me and this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some information out of this. If you're thinking about doing a setup like this, maybe in your van, in your UTV, who knows what you're gonna do. Please comment below if you have any questions on it. Otherwise, I'll put links to all the products that we use today, as well as to Off-Road Warehouse, where you can just go and have lots of fun. I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.